So in the recent era, which is a digital era, what we identify, I call it as sea of information. And sea of information, when you see in this particular case, there are chances of drowning also into the information, and possibly few of them can sail across it. The most important idea or the challenge, I would say, these are tough times. Okay, although there is too much of information, every information is on our fingertips. Okay, but more than the opportunity, it poses a challenge. It's a double-edged sword. And how to use it is basically the wisdom that develops over the period of time. Initially, of course, students may find it very difficult to figure out or precisely filtering out what to study, what to leave, and with so much of content being flooded over the internet, there can be, of course, the times when the student may be misled into reading or studying the things which may not be required. So still, for these type of examinations, a major focus should be on offline, and online should be used only as a supporting tool. Online can never replace offline studies, offline reading, and most importantly, with such a vast syllabus that you have for UPSC examination, it's more about the visual memory that you create when you read proper books rather than just listening to online to lectures and all. So online is convenience. Online is not a replacement for offline studies.